Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making some delicious soup. The ingredient that we have here is for two soup, but on this video we'll concentrate on the egusi soup. So guys, before we dig into the video, please guys subscribe to my channel, turn off your notification bell button to be the first to know whenever I upload videos, like, share, and also comment to my videos. Okay, so I'll be showing you the ingredients that I use in making this soup. I have my egusi, my stockfish, bonga fish, dry fish, then my red oil, my beef. I'll be using red beef for this soup. Then I have my pumpkin leaf, my bitter leaf, my crayfish, my seasoning cube, my salt, and pepper. So these are the main ingredients that I'll be using to make this egusi soup. So guys, let's get started. So I'll start by washing off my meat. You have to wash your meat thoroughly to avoid any kind of sand. So you take your time to wash your beef or any kind of protein you are going to use in making this soup. This I'm already spiced meat. I have pepper, seasoning cubes, salt, crayfish in here. So the reason why you should spice your meat very well is to allow it cook with the spices so that the meat will be very tasteful. So after that you cover and allow it to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, on this other pot we'll be frying our egusi. So if your pot is wet, first thing you should do is to allow it to get dry before you start frying. So I'll be putting my oil, then I'll allow it to bleach a little. Personally, I like to bleach my oil for a little while before adding any other thing. Right now I'll be adding my onions to the oil. After adding my onions, I'll allow it to cook for a while before adding my tomato paste. Right now I'll stir them together and allow the tomato to cook for a while before adding my egusi. So right now I've started adding my egusi to the oil. So when I'm done adding the egusi, I'll stir them together and allow it to fry till it became dry and have the texture that I want it to have. So guys, always stir your egusi while frying to avoid it getting burnt. Okay? Right now guys, my egusi is dried. As you can see, it's very dry. So the next step is for me to add water to the egusi. So after adding the water, you will stir them together. So guys, you have to stir your egusi very well for proper mixture. Right now I'll be adding my seasoning. I'll start with pepper. So you can add as much pepper as you can till you are satisfied with the quantity. Then after that I'll add my crayfish, my seasoning cube. Then I'll stir them together for proper mixture. Then I'll cover it up to cook. So as you can see, my egusi have started boiling. You can see the balls of the egusi. That was the main reason I have to fry it very dry to have those balls inside. Then I'll still cover it more for it to cook properly. So right now I'll be adding my stock. Then I'll stir them together to mix well. So right now I'll be adding my dry fish. After adding my dry fish, I'll stir them together and cover it for it to boil properly. Mind you guys, in this soup I'm not going to be using washed bitter leaf. I'll use bitter leaf that is sliced in this soup. So when we were growing up, they once told us that when you are using unwashed bitter leaf that is just sliced inside a soup, you are not supposed to mention or say any word so that your soup will not be so bitter. So guys, always put that one in mind. So I'm now adding my bitter leaf to the soup. So guys, after adding my bitter leaf to the soup, I'll cover it for it to boil properly. Please guys, don't stir your soup immediately after adding your bitter leaf. You should allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes before stirring it together, or else your soup will be bitter. Right now I will stir my soup because the bitter leaf is cooked. Right now I'll be adding my pumpkin leaf. You must make sure that your leaf is properly washed to avoid any sand being in your soup. So you have to take your time and wash your leaf properly. So after adding the pumpkin leaf to the soup, I'll stir them together. After stirring it together, I'll cover it for it to cook for a few minutes. So guys, right now our soup is ready. You can see how sumptuous, you can see how delicious, how beautiful, how tempting the soup is looking. Can you see how yummy this egusi soup is looking? So this soup can be made with any solid of your choice: gari, semo, pando, pounded yam. You can use any kind of solid to eat it and it will taste so delicious. Okay, you can also eat it with white rice. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please help me to grow. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and also comment. Okay, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.